And one guy he brought in today, I think the last game he played, Walsh or 16 years Walsh. Charlie, he is Eden Hazard regime. Eden Hazard, welcome back to Chelsea Football Club. The guy on the ball is insane. Keenan Drosborough Hall, he owns this Conference League. Keenan own, see, they should just rename UEFA Conference League to Keenan League. Keenan League. This league, Keenan is scoring goals for fun. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's say a big congratulations to Chelsea for reaching the UEFA Conference League final. Yes, Chelsea beat Djugarden today 1-0, aggregate 5-1. Yes, someone may say this is Conference League, but still, yes, it is European trophy, European night. So big congratulations for Chelsea reaching the final. Now, it left with Chelsea to go and win it. And as we are shooting this video, Fiorentina and Real Betis, they are still playing. Yes, extra time. Yes, we are waiting to see who will join Chelsea. Yes, to play the final, whether Fiorentina or Real Betis. And Chelsea, we don't fear anybody. Whoever come, whether Fiorentina or Real Betis, yes, we are okay to go. We are beating that team to win the Conference League. And if Chelsea win this Conference League, Chelsea is going to set the records, being the first team and the only team in history winning all the European trophies. Champions League trophy, Europa League trophy, and the Conference League trophy. So this is the reason why it is important for Chelsea to win this trophy, because this is not our level. So this is the most important reason why the guys should take this competition serious and go and win us this trophy to set that records. Even Real Madrid, Barcelona, Liverpool, Manchester City, who you can talk about, never yet set that records. Chelsea being the only team to ever hold all the European trophies. So we are hoping, yes, we'll win it. I think 20 days from today we are shooting this video, Chelsea will play the final. Yes, 21st of May. Yes, this month. So we are wishing Chelsea all the best. And this game, guys, what I like about Enzo Maresca did in this game, giving our young academy talented players, yes, the chance to dominate, to show their talent. And one guy he brought in today, I think the last game he played, Walsh or 16 years Walsh. Charlie, he is Eden Hazard regime. Eden Hazard, welcome back to Chelsea Football Club. The guy on the ball is insane. He doesn't fear to move with the ball. Go to the opposition box and make it uncomfortable, make it difficult for defenders. Eden Hazard, super regime. If you are playing FIFA, you know what is a regime. Yes, he surprised me. When I saw the lineup, I said, what Enzo Maresca starting these young players? Maybe Enzo Maresca supposed to wait. Maybe the second half, he can give them the chance. But Enzo Maresca starting him, but he disappointed me. He showed that, indeed, he really deserved to start this game. Walsh played very well. And the second half, he brought, yes, some of Antoine and co, yes, Shamura and co, yes, Antoine who came in, he is 17 years. He surprised me also. He was dribbling. He was having the energy. See, Chelsea, we have a future. Our academy guys are super talented. It's just a matter of time. We give them the playing time. So this game, almost 5 academy players played this game. Almost 5. So out of the 11 players, 5. That is good from Enzo Maresca. Enzo Maresca giving Chelsea academy players the playing time. That is good. Yes. And George, see, guys, you see George. The guy is a future winger in the Premier League. The guy will become one of the best players in the Premier League when given the playing time. The way he is moving with the ball, the confidence in him, the belief, yes, in him. It doesn't look like someone who just came from the academy this season. He look like someone who has been playing in the Premier League. Charlie, the guy is good. I'm telling you. Let's hope injury make him free or injury doesn't come his way. Because sometimes that is the issue or the enemy of footballers. Injury. So let's hope George stay injury free and be getting the playing time. George will become the player everybody will like. George is good. I can see future in George. Guys, as I said, confidence on moving with the ball, his dribbling, his decision making, his position. And one thing I even like about George, he is coming with finishing. He is not a player who is just good on the ball only. He can finish. When given the chance or when George get the chance, He buried his chances. He know how to score goals. That is good. That is good. That is good. And a champion also, best defender. All these guys, when given the chance, they are going to perform. Yes. And Antwe and Co, as I said, Wash and Co, all our academy guys who came, Maresca brought in, they delivered, they perform. Yes. Salute to Enzo Maresca. That is good. I said it already. This kind of games, when you won the first league with so many goals, just give, yes, the second leg to the academy guys, yes, to also prove their talent so that they can show that they are ready to play for Chelsea in the future. Yes, because no team can survive in world football without young players. No team can survive in world football without having academy players. Yes, you need to start because age is going. Whilst the old guys are going, the young guys will also be coming. So, guys, I like the idea Enzo Maresca giving our young academy guys the playing time. Yes, and this game also, our defense, Badiashile and Tosin, some of our one who saw the defense, the lineup were not that comfortable, but it worked. It worked. Clean sheet. Yes, they play well. Yes, even when you go and look at their ratings, they play, they deliver. But Badiashile, see, Elula now he is improving. Yes, Elula Badiashile is improving as days are going by, as he is getting the playing time. We can now see maybe, yes, the Chelsea Badiashile, or it seems the standard is improving. Let's hope he continue like that. Let's hope he continue the development. And Tosin also the same thing. He is improving. Tosin, a lot of expectation was on him when Chelsea signed him after playing for Fulham, being in the Premier League, one of the senior players in the team. But when he joined Chelsea, we didn't see the Tosin that we were expecting, because playing for Fulham is totally different from playing for Chelsea. My respect to Fulham, but that is it. Yes, Chelsea, a lot is demanded, pressure is there. As a Chelsea player, you need to raise your standard. Yes, give quality performance, good football. So that was the issue with Tosin Adarabioyo. But now Tosin is also improving. This game, Tosin, yes, they play well, and Badiashile. And our goalkeeper, Jorgensen, who is better than Onana, who is better than Alisson. Jorgensen was having saves upon saves upon saves upon saves. In fact, they try to break the clean sheet of Jorgensen. And Jorgensen said, no, I am not Onana. I am Jorgensen. I am not Onana. He was having that fantastic save upon save. I can remember he had one shot. Yes, he just used the height and just jumps more and saved the ball. That is good. As a Chelsea player, you need to be improving every day, raising the standard every day, till you meet the standard for playing for Chelsea. There, you can be getting the chance to be playing the Premier League games. Because as a player, if you come to Chelsea, Chelsea means winning. We don't know losing in Chelsea. Stamford Bridge, we don't know losing. What we only know is winning trophies and be what? And be winning football games. So as a player, if you are average, no, you can't play for Chelsea. Unless you are the supreme at the highest level. Yes, there we'll call you a Chelsea player. So I am happy this time around. It looks like the season is ending very well for Enzo Maresca and our guys and Chelsea fans. We are happy now. We can see some of our average players now delivering. Even Sancho is coming back to the Sancho we saw at the beginning of this season. This game also, Sancho performed. The last game he scored with this same team, if you can remember. And even Premier League games, Sancho is delivering. Yes, I'm telling you. So far, so good for our squad. It seems we are coming back to normal. Cole Palmer score against Liverpool. Yes, to broke that that unluckiness thing. Yes, 16 games without scoring a goal. So things are working, and Nicola Johnson also scored. I think brace the last Conference League, the first league, he scored brace. Yes, and Keenan Drosborough Hall. But guys, before we move on, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. Keenan Drosborough Hall, he owned this Conference League. They should just rename UEFA Conference League to Keenan League. This league, Keenan is scoring goals for fun. I can't remember any Conference League game Keenan didn't perform. I can't remember. When you look at all our Conference League game from round of 16, even the round of 32, the group stages, yes, to the semi-final, now going to the final, Keenan delivered. He delivered. And I said it already, maybe for now, this is his standard. Yes, no pressure on him. Yes, European night is totally different from Premier League football. So Keenan is delivering here. He scored the winning goal. Yes, 1-0. Yes, the net opener. Yes, till the 90th minutes end. Yes. So Keenan, let's hope we can replicate that form into our Premier League games. Yes, as the season is ending, he can replicate that into our Premier League games and then continue that with, yes, next season. I saw it, or we saw it already last season. Cucurella picked form. He sent it to this season till the season is about to end. Last season, Caicedo picked form. He sent it to this season. This season is about to end. Caicedo even won Player of the Season for Chelsea. So let's hope these players, them performing now, they can keep it. That differentiate average players and best players. Consistency. Yes, every player can have a good day. Every player can have a good game. And every player can have a bad game. But what matters most, can you do it today, do it tomorrow, and do it tomorrow next? Consistency is the difference between average players and best players. Like Caicedo this season, like Cucurella this season, like Kulpama this season, and some of our players showing consistency or show consistency this season. So let's hope Keenan Drosborough Hall also continue that. Yes, send that consistency. Yes, to next season as we want. Yes, and before we end, I'm going under the comment section, yes, to read comments and mention names of Football Lion viewers, consistent Football Lion viewers, yes, Super Football Lion viewers who gave their what prediction for this game. Yes, I think one person gave prediction for this game under my preview of this game. Salim, yes, you will see your name on the screen. Salim said Bluko out. But that one for sure. If next season we don't get our experienced players, or next season if we qualify for Champions League, we need experienced players for Bluko to stay. But for now, Bluko out. I'm telling you. Yes. So Salim said Bluko out. Yes. Enzo's best position is number 8, but he need to step up and build some muscle for himself. As for Moses Caicedo, of course, Chelsea must increase his wages. He deserves it. Without Moses Caicedo, there's no Chelsea midfield. And he predicted that Chelsea 3, Djugarden 1. Chelsea 3, Djugarden 1. But unfortunately, Chelsea scored 1. Salim, yes. Not bad. At the end of the day, we won. That matters most. Yes. Getting the 3 points or qualifying to the final. Yes. So guys, we started this on this channel. Yes. Based on my review till the season end and next season. All our reviews. Yes, Newcastle review, I'll do the same thing. If you give your scoreline, your score prediction about the game, after the game, if I'm going to do the review, I will come here, mention your name, read your comment, and read your score prediction. Yes, to see whether you get it right or not. So that we can see those who can give investors the chance to go and make or invest good. Yes. So guys, it just started with this video. The Newcastle preview is coming. It will continue from that. If you give your score prediction under the preview with the review video, I will mention your name and mention your score prediction to see whether you get it right or wrong. So guys, the preview is coming. Newcastle Chelsea. Newcastle home, St. James Park. Yes, that video is coming soon. Yes, with my brother, my Chelsea brother Isa, and maybe I also give my head talk about that game because important game. I can even say this game will be difficult more than Liverpool game because Liverpool won the league, yes. And this time around, Newcastle, they are also playing for the top 4. The top 4 that Chelsea won. So that video will be super. We will give in-depth analysis on that video. So please watch out, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button, yes, for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. And let me hear from you under the comment section about this game, Chelsea qualifying to the final. Yes, your opinion, your thought.